Are you looking for the finest investing apps to help you reclaim control of your finances? Routine financial duties, shifting money into investment accounts, and tracking your spending are all possible with good finance software. However, the top investment apps can help you trade stocks rapidly, track your account in real time, and learn about the markets, among other things. Investment apps have grown in popularity as a result of their versatility. Hello, this is Flawless Finances, and in today's video we'll be talking about the top 5 investment apps to manage your portfolio. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and switch on alerts to be notified of new videos. Here are some of the best applications for organizing and investing your money. All of these apps are excellent for novices, and they make it simple for individuals who are just getting started with investing or who want to play a stock picking game for entertainment. Google Sheets is the first app on our list. If you don't want to link your investment accounts to an internet tool or software app, Google Sheets is a great way to keep track of your money. While you must manually enter your portfolio data into a Google Sheets spreadsheet, Google Finance tools can automatically update the market price of each security. The portfolio analysis using Quicken Premier is the next one. Quicken Premier includes investment tracking and analysis capabilities. Quicken Premier allows you to connect your investment accounts to the program, ideal for individuals who prefer software over internet service. Quicken tracks investment activities, including all transactions in the accounts, once an account is connected. Quicken's utilization of Morningstar data is particularly remarkable. Quicken, for example, will provide each investment's Morningstar category, ranks within that category, Morningstar rating, and other Morningstar statistics. You can also use Quicken to access Morningstar's Instant X-ray function. This allows you to get Morningstar's data without having to enter your portfolio manually. Quicken also lets you select the desired asset allocation for your portfolio, which is then compared to the actual asset allocation in your portfolio. You can examine asset allocation at the portfolio, account, or individual security level. Quicken's user interface is the only drawback. It appears like the program hasn't been updated in a long time. It's useful, but not particularly attractive. We sincerely hope you like watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Returning to the list, we have the Retirement Cash Flow Analysis from eMoney Advisor. Financial professionals can help you with eMoney Advisor. While I manage my assets, I consult with an advisor regularly. As a result, I'm able to use this tool. eMoney Advisor, like Personal Capital, combines all your financial data by integrating your accounts. While the UI isn't as slick as Personal Capital's, eMoney Advisor offers a variety of information and thorough portfolio analysis. It may, for example, predict a portfolio's future cash flows through retirement, which I've found to be the most useful tool. Specifically, using a variety of data points and assumptions, eMoney Advisor will predict cash flows throughout your retirement. Future Social Security payments and required minimum distributions, RMDs, from tax-deferred retirement accounts are factored in. In addition, it allows you to choose a dollar amount for annual retirement spending and then adjust it for inflation. The cash flow report that results is broken down by year. It displays your overall income, investment income, and expected retirement disbursements for each year. It also displays total expenses, which might include annual expenses adjusted for inflation and one-time expenses you anticipate incurring throughout your retirement. Finally, it displays the portfolio's entire value over time. Aside from the cash flow report, eMoney Advisor gives you the usual portfolio statistics and analysis. It breaks down asset allocation in a portfolio and provides information on estate planning and tax difficulties. Morningstar's Portfolio Manager is also available. The Morningstar Portfolio Manager differs from Personal Capital's financial dashboard because it takes a different approach. Morningstar's Portfolio Manager feature requires you to enter each of your investments manually. However, the business claims to be working on an automated alternative. While entering your investment account data into Morningstar's Portfolio Manager requires extra effort, the analysis given by the program is well worth the time. The tool gives you basic information on each of your investments, including its current price, daily value changes, and percentage weight in your overall portfolio. Morningstar's Portfolio Manager also provides detailed information on the overall performance of a portfolio. It displays the overall return of your portfolio by month and year, and compares it to a benchmark of your choice. Morningstar's Instant X-ray feature, on the other hand, is where it shines. Instant X-ray provides precise information on the asset distribution of your portfolio. It displays the investment style box for both stocks and bonds in your portfolio. It categorizes your holdings by sector, stock type, and even region. It also displays your portfolio's weighted average mutual fund fee ratio. Finally, Instant X-Ray shows you how much each investment in your portfolio contributes to the overall value of your portfolio. This is especially beneficial to individuals who invest in mutual funds. In my situation, Apple accounts for slightly over 13% of my total holdings. This is partly due to my direct ownership of Apple shares, but it's also because huge businesses like Apple are given a lot of weight in index funds, which are also part of my portfolio. Morningstar has a free and premium membership option. Although some products require a paid membership, you can utilize its portfolio monitor without a subscription. Personal Capital's free financial dashboard is the final option. Sign up for a free account and then connect your various bank accounts to the Personal Capital platform to get started. Not only do I have a 401k and an individual retirement account, but I also have taxable investment accounts, bank accounts, and credit card accounts. Personal Capital's dashboard gathers all your financial data and gives a plethora of information and analysis once your accounts are linked. Personal Capital gives the following high-level information about their investment tools. It divides your investments into retirement and non-retirement accounts. It allows you to view your investments by account or by individual holdings. It keeps track of your investment performance over time and compares it to a variety of benchmarks. Your investments are also organized by asset class with Personal Capital. It does this by investing in the following categories: cash, international bonds, U.S. bonds, international stocks, U.S. stocks, and alternatives. Personal Capital includes tools that provide insight into your retirement assets, fees you're paying, and an investment checkup that looks at your overall asset allocation, in addition to combining and organizing your account and investment data. You could be perplexed. What is Personal Capital's retirement planner and how does it work? Personal Capital has a comprehensive retirement plan that considers all the assets that are in linked accounts and expenditure data from linked bank and credit card accounts. To the retirement planner, you can add specific income events such as Social Security and pre-retirement savings. You can also include spending objectives such as a vacation across the world after you retire. Another question you may have: how does Personal Capital's fee analyzer work? The retirement fee analyzer on Personal Capital evaluates your overall expense ratio across all your investments. Fees totaled 6 basis points in my situation. The program that calculates how much you'll pay in fees over time and how they affect your portfolio's returns. The calculator will compute your fees up until your retirement date. After that, you can adjust this date to observe the effect of fees over a longer time. What is Personal Capital's investment checkup and how does it work? Finally, Personal Capital gives a checkup on your investments. This calculator compares your current asset allocation to a suggested asset allocation. Personal Capital displays past performance, future predictions, and risk and return expectations for both allocations. Overall, the advantages of maintaining an investment portfolio can be extensive, with the potential to last for generations. Wise investing can enable a person to protect his initial investment and increase it to levels it would not have reached otherwise. With investments comes a variety of benefits, such as the opportunity to partake in the company's profits, while an investment portfolio entails some risk. It also measures control over one's financial future. Having an investment portfolio isn't always useful in and of itself. To gain the benefits of having exposure to the financial markets, an investor must allocate funds prudently. Investors can profit from constructing a diversified investment portfolio, which spreads cash across multiple investment categories. Diversification across several asset classes can help protect an investor's cash if one segment of the financial market performs poorly. Individuals may be unprepared for some of life's important milestones if they do not have an investment portfolio. While putting money in a bank savings account may provide some protection, the growth rate is likely to be low compared to the possible earnings in the financial markets. An investor can use an investment portfolio to protect his cash and position the portfolio to potentially produce significant gains so that he is prepared for events like paying for a college education. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of further uploads. Flawless Finances here, and we'll see you in the next video.